So, want to go from zero to hero in completing your project works, assignments, and reports using Microsoft Word? Then this series is here to help you out. And at the end of it all, you will be able to edit and format your work, number your headings also, insert some pictures, tables, and graphs into your reports, also add page numbers, being it Roman numerals and actual numbers, to your reports, and include either a header or a footer into your report. You will be able to also add an automated table of content simply into your reports. And finally, you will be able to save your work not only in Word format but in PDF format also. So kindly stick with me to the end. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment behind to let me know what you think. Well, what are we waiting for? So, my colleague just sent me this report saying it has to be submitted by 10 a.m. tomorrow. And knowing how and who my boss is, he's not going to accept this report in good faith at all. Because, as you see, it's not well justified, no page numbers, no better alignment, and those kind of things. And there are other things you see which doesn't add any value or meaning to the report. So I believe those adjustments needs to be done before its final submission. And to proceed, I would have to also know the requirements I need to finish this report with. So, I just got off the phone with my colleague. He's saying, according to our boss, the font should be in the Times New Roman. The font size for the normal text should be in 12. And for the headers, we can either make it 14 or 16. And also, we should justify the work with a line spacing of 1.5. Then add some page numbers in the table of contents also. And the last thing he said was our boss needs the work in a PDF format. PDF format, wow. Okay, I think we'll get there. We'll get there. So, after knowing all this, I believe we can start now. So, to start, I would like to set my work to a two-page format instead of a one-page, at least to make my work a bit faster. So, I'll set it to, after going to the View tab, I'll set it to a multiple page format. Then I want it in a two-page format, so I'll simply zoom in a bit. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is okay. So now I would first change the style or the format it is in now. I've changed the font size, and also justify it as a start. And to do that, I can either use the font and the paragraph group to do all those things, but Soft Life, I want to do it all at a go. So I'll go to the styles group, and as you can see, this icon has been selected where you can see is set to normal. So this is currently what our report has been set to a normal. So I want to modify it, so I'll simply right click on it, go to modify, and from this dialog box that appears, as you can see, our font is set to a Calibri body, but that's not what my boss wants. He wants it in Times New Roman, and per the requirement also the font size should be 12. And he was saying I have to justify the work, so I'll simply justify it over here also. As you can see, our font has been set to the Times New Roman, the font size 12, and it has been justified. So I'll simply click on the OK. And as you can see, our work has been put in order for now. And also, he did mention something about the line spacing being 1.5, but I don't think I did that. So I'll simply use the shortcut key Control A to select my entire report. Then move over to the paragraph group in my ribbon. Then select this. Then click on this drop down button over here. Then I'll set my line spacing to 1.5. Okay, I think we've done that. I think we are shaping up the report for now. Or what do you think, my viewers? Okay. And as you go through the report, you can see some hash signs, some short dashes, and some star signs, which I don't think add any value to the report. So what we'll do is to remove it, but I can't simply do it one by one going through each page. As I said earlier, soft life, so I'll simply use a shortcut key, Control H. Then from this dialog box that pops up, as you can see, find and replace. So I want to find these first and replace them. So first, I would want to replace the hash sign. So I'll simply find it first, hash, and I'll come to the replace all. Or what do I want to replace it with? Nothing. So I'll simply click on the replace all. So as you can see, all done. We made 85 replacements. That's a whole lot. And also, what do I want to find next? I want to find these star signs. So I'll simply also find it, star. Then I'll replace them all also with nothing. Okay, so I think they've been gotten rid of. And the last thing also I saw that wasn't needful was these short dashes. So I'll also come and find them, short dashes, and I want to replace them with nothing. So I'll simply click on the replace all, then I'll click on the OK. So I think we are done with these replacements. And I think our report is moving in the right direction. But there is a whole lot of work to be done as per the requirements. And we'll take care of that in the next video. So kindly look forward to it.